Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making chicken cordon bleu. It's a classic. It's been around a long time. It's chicken breast stuffed with ham and cheese. I know you're going to like it, and come on with me and I'll show you how to make it. First, you take chicken breast. I think I had 3 chicken breasts and I cut them in half to make 6. And then you have to pound them out to flatten them and make them wider. And then before that, I took ham and I stacked it in 3 little strips and wrapped it with Swiss cheese. And then I stuck them in the chicken and wrapped them up, and then I secured it with some toothpicks because you don't want it to come unwrapped when you're cooking it. Then I took plain flour and I put salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder in the flour and mixed it all together. Then I took 4 eggs and beat them and put 1/4 cup of water. And then I have plain breadcrumbs here in this plate. I'm using tin pie plates because I save them, and they're good for this kind of thing. You know, they don't make a mess. You can either throw them away or you can wash them. So let's get to cooking these things. I got my oven set for 325 because after we fry them, we're going to bake them. I've got some olive oil. Put in probably a 1/2 cup. I got my sheet tray. We're going to wait until this heats up. You bread them and then you fry them lightly brown, or as brown as you want them. We're going to do it in flour. Then we'll roll it in egg wash. And then If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm through frying the chicken. I've got it on a cookie sheet and we're putting them in the oven at 325 for about 20 minutes because they're so thick. But I've got them nicely golden brown. The first time I had this classic chicken cordon bleu is at a seafood restaurant. I think it was in Tampa or Sarasota, one or the other. I've never had it before and I don't eat fish, so I tried it and it was delicious. I fell in love with it. If I see it on a menu somewhere, I get it, or I've made it myself. Years ago, I found this with this chef had, I think it was a family circle in 1990 something. He did step by step on how to make it. And so that's what I do, make it by his thing. And I fry my chicken that way. Instead of stuffing it, I just take chicken breast and do what it says to do, you know, flour it and stick it in the egg and then breadcrumbs. And then I just fry my chicken and then I put it in the oven. Half fry it, half oven. That's how I do my fried chicken. The chef in this recipe, he slices the breast in half, and then on each half he makes a pocket. But I don't do that. I just slice it in half and then I pound it down to make it flat, and I put the cheese and the ham and like roll it up, and so that's how I do it. But you can do it any way you want to. It's just that it's easier to do it this way for me. So it's good either way. And I forgot to tell you that I secure the, when I roll up the chicken, I secure it with toothpicks and fry it. And then I take them out, you know, when I'm fixing to serve it. And we're back. I've got the chicken out of the oven and nicely golden brown. Get this one. We're going to cut it open. Look at that cheese and that ham. Don't it look good? It's all gooey inside. So I hope you like this recipe, and hope you make it. Thank you for coming by and watching my videos. And as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store. We have a lot of merchandise there. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel.